Hello everyone, I am Ashwarya Malla of class 9C and today I am going to discuss about World Ozone Day. What is ozone? A molecule containing 3 atoms of oxygen is called ozone. Ozone is very rare in our atmosphere, averaging about 3 molecules of ozone for every 10 million air molecules. Now the question arises, where is ozone found in the atmosphere? Ozone is mainly found in 2 regions of the Earth's atmosphere. Most ozone resides in a layer that begins between 6 and 10 miles above the Earth's atmosphere and extends up to 30 miles. This region of atmosphere is called stratosphere. Now, what is the role of ozone layer and how are humans affected by it? The absorption of ultraviolet radiation by ozone creates a source of heat. Ozone thus plays a key role in the temperature structure of the Earth's atmosphere. Without the filtering action of the ozone layer, more of the sun's UV radiation would penetrate the atmosphere and would reach the Earth's surface. As you can see in this image, the purple giant hole in the ozone layer, it is an effect of air pollution. The ozone layer helps keep the Earth cooler. As it thins, the Earth heats up. Damage to the ozone layer can cause skin cancer, cataracts, suppression of the immune system, premature aging of the skin in humans. It also causes global warming, climate change, crop and forest damage, infections and skin diseases on animals, less fish harvest. Measures to prevent the ozone depletion: limit private vehicle driving, use eco-friendly household cleaning products, avoid using pesticides, developing stringent regulations for rocket launches, banning the use of dangerous nitrous oxide. Conclusion: there is no doubt that the problem of ozone depletion exists and deserves extensive research and attention. With the release of each and every CFC, our ozone layer takes one small step towards its destruction. The entire world must unite in order to expel this problem forever. I hope that you like this video. Thank you.
Whether the house we live in is 300 or 3,000 square feet, loneliness is the same. You will realize your true inner happiness does not come from the material things of this world. Whether you fly first or economy class, if the plane goes down, you go down with it. Therefore, I hope you realize when you have mates, buddies and old friends, brothers and sisters, who you chat with, laugh with, talk with, have sing songs with, talk about north, south, east, west or heaven and earth. That is true happiness. 5 undeniable facts of life. 1. Don't educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So, when they grow up, they will know the value of things, not the price. 2. Best awarded words in London: eat your food as your medicines. Otherwise, you have to eat medicines as your food. 3. The ones who love you will never leave you for another because even if there are 100 reasons to give up, he or she will find one reason to hold on. 4. There is a big difference between a human being and being human. Only a few really understand it. 5. You are loved when you are born. You will be loved when you die. In between, you have to manage. Note, if you just want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. 6 best doctors in the world. 1. Sunlight. 2. Rest. 3. Exercise. 4. Diet. 5. Self-confidence and 6. Friends. Maintain them in all stages of life, and enjoy a healthy life. God loves you.
Hey everyone, I am Arpitan, one of class 8 section F, going to represent on the given topic Ozone Day. September 16th was celebrated as World Ozone Day. What is ozone layer? Ozone is a trioxygen inorganic molecule. The formula for ozone is O3. It protects the earth from various harmful gases and also protects Earth from ultraviolet rays which are very harmful and dangerous. Due to excessive use of chlorofluorocarbons in our daily life, the ozone layer is depleting, which may harm for Earth. Chlorofluorocarbons are mainly used in refrigerators and air conditioners. Scientists have examined and noticed the hole on the ozone layer, and therefore ozone layer depleting at a higher place. World Ozone Day is celebrated at both national and international level. All the people of the world must take measures in order to reduce the ozone layer from depleting. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everybody, my name is Sai Pranshu. I am from class 8 section in roll number 25. I want to present something about the topic World Ozone Day. So what is ozone? Ozone is basically an allotrope of oxygen which has 3 atoms of oxygen. World Ozone Day is celebrated every year on 16 September all over the world. The purpose of celebrating this day is to make people aware of the protection of the ozone layer. This ozone layer prevents us from harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun coming to the earth. Ozone layer is very important for life and natural balance on earth. Without ozone layer, harmful ultraviolet rays will directly come to the surface of the earth and affect our lives. There has been a continuous depletion of the ozone layer for the last few years, which is a serious concern for us. We should take measures to prevent this. Here are some of them. Due to decrease in ozone, summer is bigger than winter, as we can see in the present day. We must commemorate the importance of ozone, which is getting weaker with every passing year. We must promote the measures of protect the environment. Thank you.
Maintain air conditioners as the man functions cause CO2 to escape into the atmosphere. We can avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Now we can also see the adoption units in these pictures. The higher the adoption units, the higher the ozone layer is. The color depicted here, the higher the concentration of adoption units, the more the reddish color it is, and the bluish color depicts low ozone concentration, that is measured in adoption units. Well, thank you. So here we end the presentation with small slogan: don't let the future go up in smoke. Save the ozone. Save ozone, save a life. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Shubham Shurmishra of class 9 section F wanted to have a brief discussion on World Ozone Day. First, we have to know the different layers of atmosphere on the basis of temperature. Troposphere, stratosphere where the ozone layer is present, mesosphere and thermosphere. The ozone layer is located in the stratosphere where the highest concentration of oxygen molecules are found. The combination of oxygen atoms O with oxygen molecules O2 forms ozone molecule, that is O3. Ozone layer depletion. The most important process of ozone layer depletion is through catalytic destruction of atomic chlorine and atomic bromine with free radicals of nitric oxide, nitrous oxide and hydroxyl oxide. Due to depletion of ozone layer, the ultraviolet rays are entering into the Earth's surface through the holes in the ozone layer. The ozone layer have various effects on plants and animals, where in animals or human beings, they may face skin burn and skin cancer and others. In plants, some of the parts may burn, and the most important is cyanobacteria, which is reactive to UV radiation, can get damaged. Preventing ozone layer depletion. Limiting private vehicle driving. Reduce the source of nitrous oxide and CFC, which is the main component of ozone depletion. And we should increase afforestation and stop the production of harmful gases. With this, I sign up. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Pritam Marsati. I study in class 8 section D roll 24. Today I am here to say some lines about World Ozone Day. What is Ozone Day? In 1994, the General Assembly proclaimed 16 September as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. It is celebrated every year to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and find possible solutions to preserve it. Why ozone layer is important for us? Ozone layer is a natural gas. is in the upper atmosphere that protects humans and other living things from the harmful ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. The ozone layer filters out most of the sun's harmful UV radiation that is therefore crucial to life on Earth. How do humans affect ozone layer? Human activities cause emission of halogen source gases that contain chlorine and bromine atoms. These emissions into the atmosphere ultimately lead to the stratospheric ozone depletion. How can we protect ozone layer? Here are some major points to protect ozone layer. Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous out to the ozone layer. Minimize the use of cars. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to use buy local products. In this way, you not only get fresh products but you avoid consuming food that has traveled long distances. Maintain air conditions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Subhalakshmi Sahu. I'm from class 8, section F, roll number 40. So as you can see in the screen, today I'm going to say a few lines on World Ozone Day. So let's just see what is the ozone layer. The ozone layer or the ozone cell is the region of the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's UV radiation, or it is also known as ultraviolet radiation. It is present in the lower part of the stratosphere, approximately 15 to 35 km above the Earth. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Bujon. The United Nations General Assembly designated September 16 as the International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer. This day is celebrated to spread awareness of ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is caused by the CFCs, HCFCs, and aerosols. Such components causes problems like skin cancer, sunburns, permanent blindness, and cataract, as well as harm plants and animals. So, what is the solution to save our ozone layer? So, we can save our ozone layer by minimizing the use of cars and products which release CFC, SCFC, and aerosols like ACs and refrigerant. So, we should plant more and more trees to save our mother nature and ozone layer. With this, I sign off. Thank you.
Hi everybody, let me introduce myself. I am Sonakshi Samantrai of class 8 section T, roll number 34. As you can see on the screen, our today's topic is World Ozone Day. It is celebrated on 16 September. What is ozone layer? The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Large hole in the protection of the Earth absorbed loss of ozone mainly above the northern and southern poles. For this occasion, it is considered one of the primary greenhouse gases in atmosphere alongside water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrogen oxide. What we can do? More holes in ozone will make Earth a no zone. With this, a happy ozone day.
A very good morning to all. I am Aditya, going to share some vital information with you about World Ozone Day. So first of all, what is ozone layer? The ozone layer is a fragile shield of O3 gas that protects the Earth from harmful portion of rays of sun found in stratosphere around 15 to 30 km above the Earth's surface. It basically protects the Earth from dangerous chemicals, gases and other reaction products. But with a long time, when scientists working in the late 1970s discovered that humanity was creating a hole in this protective shield, they raised the alarm. The hole caused by ozone depleting gases used in aerosols and cooling was threatening to increase cases of skin cancer, cataracts, and damage ecosystems. A number of commonly used chemicals as CFCs, HCFCs have been found to be extremely damaging to the ozone layer. So, in 1985, the world's governments adopted the Vienna Convention for the Protection of Ozone Layer. Under the convention, Montreal Protocol, government, scientists, and industry work together to cut out 99% of all ozone depleting substances. The principal aim of this Montreal Protocol was to protect the ozone layer by taking some measures to control total global production and consumption of these harmful substances that depleted the ozone layer. Then in 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 16 September the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer, commemorating the date of the signing in 1987 of the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. So the World Ozone Day held on September 16 celebrates this achievement. This day is celebrated worldwide on national and international levels. Different programs are also conducted in schools, colleges to teach young ones how to protect our world. Different activities are managed by the teachers to develop awareness among students so that they can learn the use of environmental friendly and ozone protective techniques. Now we can see these pictures where the ozone layer is depicted protecting the UV rays, and in the second picture we can see the ozone hole, which is very dangerous because the UV rays are directly hitting the earth's surface. Now what can we do in our individual level? Scientists and researchers prove that use of hydrofluorocarbons in place of CFCs is less dangerous because it has zero ozone depletion potential. So scientists have observed that the ozone depletion level have been lowering since the use of hydrofluorocarbons instead of CFCs.
Good evening to one and all present over here. I'm Manishmita Yadav of class 8C, and now I'm going to present about Ozone Day. Every year, September 16 is marked as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. The United Nations General Assembly designated the day in remembrance of the date 1987, when nations signed the Montreal Protocol, substance that depleted the ozone layer. In 1976, atmospheric resources revealed that the ozone layer was being depleted by chemical released by factories, industries, and many more. Mainly the gas chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs. The theme for this ozone layer is Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. Regularly get your electric appliances serviced and discards. Appliances that have been in use for from that 10 on 15 year as they emit more ozone depletion substance, ODS. With this, I sign out. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
To one and all present over here. Today, I and Bishop Iswan of class 8C would like to say something about World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th of September every year. It is celebrated to mark the presence of ozone layer and the ways to prevent the depletion of ozone layer. On December 19, 1994, the United Nations General Assembly decided 16th September as World Ozone Day. Ozone is a thin, delicate layer present in the stratosphere that helps to absorb the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone layer should be protected by us and is very crucial for the maintenance of life on Earth. And we must protect the ozone layer too for our future generation. With this, I sign out. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Growth, reducing agriculture and productivity. There is a hole developed in the ozone layer, commonly known as the ozone hole. Let's see why there is a hole in the ozone layer. The ozone hole has developed because people have polluted the atmosphere with chemicals containing chlorine and bromine. The primary chemicals involved are chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFCs, halogens, and carbon tetrafluoride. Ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation that reaches Earth's surface, which increases the rate of skin cancer, eye cataract, and genetic and immune system damage. can we do to prevent the ozone depletion? We can prevent ozone depletion by some steps. The first step is avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Some of the most dangerous gases are CFCs, halogenated hydrocarbons, methyl bromide, and nitrous oxide. Minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban bicycle or walking. If you use a car to a destination, try to carpool with others to decrease the use of cars in order to pollute less and save. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Many cleaning products contain solvents and substances corrosive, but you can replace these dangerous substances with non-toxic products such as vinegar or bicarbonate. Buy local products. In this way, you not only get fresh products, but you avoid consuming food that has traveled long distances. As the more distance traveled, the more nitrous oxide is produced due to the medium used to transport that product. Maintain air conditioning. As the malfunction cause CO2 to escape into the atmosphere. Now, what can we do to prevent the ozone? I would like to end this all of this. Thank you and have a nice day. Also, happy World Ozone Day.
Hi everybody, good morning. I am Sai Swastik Mohanty of class 8C, roll number 30. We are gathered here for a presentation topic World's Ozone Day. Do you know what is ozone layer? The ozone layer is the common term for the high concentration of ozone that is found in the stratosphere around 15 to 30 km above the Earth's surface. It covers the entire planet and protects life-living organisms on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet B radiation from the sun. In September 16 was designated by the United Nations General Assembly as the International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer of December 19, 2000 in commemoration of deplete the ozone layer. Some of the molecules are there in atmosphere which destroy the ozone naturally. But nowadays people are leading to the destruction of ozone layer. The total mass of the ozone in the atmosphere is about 3 million metric tons. That may be seem like a lot, but there is only 0.00006% of the atmosphere. Thank you.